Let me quickly show you how you can get the transcript of any YouTube video out there. Now, let's suppose that this is the video. You want to get the transcript. Click on the video. Now, you don't even need the video to play. You can pause the video after loading. Let me pause the video. I don't want it to play. Then you scroll down a bit. Can you see this? If the video has description, you will see there's a long description. You see more, click on more. Then take it down, scroll down further. Now you can see transcripts. Click on show transcripts. Then you look at this side now. It's loading. Now it's loaded. Now, I think mine is showing this way because I already turned off something. But normally, when you check, it will appear like this. Can you see? Now, this is showing the minutes and seconds where each word in the video was spoken. Okay? So for you to copy this like this will mean that at the end of copying it, all this time will still appear in the text that you copied. So it will not make the work neat. It will give you extra work to do. So what you will need to do next is to come here. You see toggle transcript, toggle timestamps. Okay. Click on it. Then this will disappear. Now, depending on where you want to copy the transcript from, you will need to put the mouse there. Now, if I want to copy it from a particular point in the video, I'll have to maybe try to play the video. Okay, let's say, let me take the video to this point. Can you see that this thing has moved? Okay, if you take it further to this point, can you see it's moved? So depending on where you want to copy the video from, you will have to shift it this way. You can as well scroll from here, but you can shift it this way to be exact. Then you can now place the mouse outside of this box and then click on your mouse on the system and then drag it. No, this is not getting well, so I'll have to do it again. I'll put it like this. No, I'll bring it this way. I'll put it at the head here. Can you see now? So I can easily drag it down until it copies. Now let me go again so that you see what I did. Let me go again. I'll cancel this. I'll go to transcript again. Just one more time so you see what we did. Now I said put the mouse somewhere here. Okay. Put it at the beginning of that very letter, the first letter you want to copy from, and then hit the mouse, hit and hold, and then drag like this. Can you see? This is how you can copy transcript. Maybe you want to edit the transcript later, or you want to use it to create something else that you want to create. That's how to copy a YouTube transcript from any YouTube video, whether it's your own YouTube or someone else's YouTube video. You copy the transcript, but I would advise don't use it for any illegal purposes. Okay? So this video is to help you know how to copy transcript from any video, maybe educational video. Some people want to work on the transcript to create maybe an article with it. This will perfectly help you to do so. If you like video like this, please do subscribe. I'm on Invaluable. Once again, I will invite you to subscribe and watch out for more interesting videos on this channel.